Alright, today we're going to take a look at another pretty cool Zippo. But first, one note on a movie I just saw. It's called Baby Driver. Let's see, Kevin Spacey's in this. I don't know that guy. Ansel Elgort. Come on, what kind of name is that? And Lily James. Anyway, Baby Driver, if you haven't seen it, the opening car chase scene is worth the price of admission for this movie. The rest of it's pretty formula. Bank robbers, car chases, but the opening scene is really worth watching. It's called Baby Driver. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Now this one is called Mayans. And it's made in the USA. It's a genuine Zippo. And there's a first look at the Mayans. Got a nice yellow finish, and the insert is copyright from the Mayans TV show. It's a new TV show. It kind of starts where the Sons of Anarchy left off. So if you like the Sons of Anarchy, you'll probably like the Mayans. You see, it also has the Fox logo on it. Nice yellow matte finish. And it's got some good stampings on it. It looks like it was made in K of 18, which is, I think, November. Yeah. Steel insert. Lights up nice. Good sound. That is the Mayans Zippo. Let's do a drop test. So the Mayans passes the drop test. And like I said, if you like the Sons of Anarchy, you're going to like the Mayans. And definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.